Okay, we're just watching you put together this. Mini dessert stand, and it holds, you say, 24 miniature.
24 miniature cupcakes on the back of this thing. It also has chocolate covered strawberries. It could probably hold little quiche as well. Very adorable. These are the pieces.
Very cute.
These are the pieces. You have your base, you have your middle section, you have your top, your very top, 2 extenders, and it comes with this handy dandy little gripper thing.
Oh,
Isn't
Barbie
it?
size wrench.
Barbie size wrench. Do it without the instructions, shall we?
Oops. Claude, will you let Lila please go outside? Oh, very cool.
Thank you. I thought so.
Are they all turning the right way? The same way?
Yes.
Okay.
We are turning them clockwise.
Well, I mean, are all the spirals spiraling the same direction?
Oh. Mm-hmm.
You know, I could not live if they were not. And I should get the receipt so I remember how much we paid for this. Was it $12? $15?
I think it was $12.99.
What a bargain.
And we didn't even use the little Barbie size wrench.
Oh my goodness.
Ta-da!
Wow, very cute.
Perfect.
Very cute. Ta-da.